Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to change your profile pictures in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung ating profile. Okay, so click mo lang ito, ang ating profile account. And then ang next ay kailangan mo lang select yung change account settings. So click mo lang yan. And then madadirect tayo dito sa ating account. And then ang susunod ay makikita mo na dito yung adjust your photo. So pwede mong gamitin yung open camera. And then another option naman ay pwede mong gamitin yung choose file para mapalitan tong profile picture natin. Okay, so click mo lang tong browse file. And then silik ka lang dito kung saan mo sinave yung mga profile picture mo or mga photos na pwede natin ipalit dito. First, click lang natin yan, and then select natin. And mga kaibigan, so makikita mo na napalitan na yung profile picture natin dito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-change ng profile picture sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.